Welcome to the only course on internet where you are going to build multi-vendor mega e-commerce project. You are going to build professional Next.js 15 website with React Native Expo app. Yes, you have heard it right. In this course, you are not only going to build website but also a professional app. We are going to build website with Next.js 15 and app with React Native Expo, the latest and most popular technologies right now. Myself, I am Raghunath Hittal. I am having 4 years of experience in developing full stack applications and I will be your instructor throughout this course. Before we continue to the next preview video of this course, here is a question. Why you need to take this course? Let me explain you what are the benefits you are going to get by completion of this course. First things first, you will gain hands-on experience on how to build professional and scalable applications with rich looking architecture. You are going to see how you can develop admin dashboard, vendor dashboard, consumer level e-commerce website, and finally professional app with best practices. Not only just about building the e-commerce tech stack, but also how you can protect your website and app professionally so attackers can't attack or steal the content on your website and app. So attackers or our competitors cannot scrap our website. Not only that, but also vulnerable bots cannot even come to our website. They cannot perform any vulnerable operations on our website to attack on us. Our website is so powerful that they can't even give their malicious emails to us. Seems good, right? Not only that, but also how you can integrate SEO onto your website. I mean search engine optimization to your website. So you can rank top on search results on Google. Not only performing SEO, but also how you can boost your website's performance. That's the key point in any e-commerce website, because in some milliseconds because of performance issues, top big companies are losing their money. So it was so important to boost our website's performance, and we are going to see it how we can boost our website's performance using Next.js latest features and Expo latest features. I'm going to explain you how you can boost your performance for both website and app professionally. You are going to learn how you can build admin dashboard. On your admin dashboard, you are going to have full control on your website. Manage products checked, manage orders checked, manage users checked, manage vendors checked, manage product reviews checked, manage offers checked, add categories checked, manage subcategories checked, manage top bar offers checked, manage coupons checked, manage analytics checked. Each and every topic was covered in our admin dashboard. Remember that what are the changes or actions you have done in admin dashboard reflects both e-commerce website and our app. For the vendors, we have limited what they can do when compared to admin, because vendor is having limited powers when compared to the admin, right? So we have covered that also. So only approved vendors by admin can manage their activities. This is so important because any customer can come to our website and they can apply for vendor. So if he was only approved by an admin, then only he is going to continue and can manage his activities on our vendor dashboard. This is not just an ordinary e-commerce website that you can find on any YouTube channel. By only keeping this project on your portfolio, I can give you assured that you will definitely get highest paid job ever, because this is the course that covers each and every point in professional e-commerce projects. From building front end to creating a fully functional, scalable, and future-rich multi-vendor platform with advanced capabilities. Each and every point on our e-commerce project is covered. Not just take my word, but see other preview videos also, which you can find just after this in this course. So you can get a clear brief about this entire mega course. This is just about why you need to take this course. Now, this course is well suited for React beginners to experts. Each level was also covered in this project. By developing and completing this course, you are not only full stack website developer but also full stack React Native app developer. This is the course that outside of the Udemy platforms are charging for about thousands of dollars, because in e-commerce each and every topic about web development and app development is covered, because e-commerce is the biggest and most complicated to develop website and app in this world. Coming to the brief about the tech stack, we are going to use Next.js 15 version to develop this website with latest updates covered. We are going to use Expo 52 version to develop our professional and scalable app. My main goal is to provide you the latest technologies that we are going to build in this course. So you'll always have updates in this course, making sure you're always up to date. And not only that, I'm going to speak a very simple English in this course. So if your English is not a primary language or the first language, no problem at all. You are going to understand my English. And here is the juicy part and excitement news for you. I have not yet included e-commerce app on our course. Yes, you have heard it right. Because I want to develop your preferable and favorite mobile app Figma design. Yes, you have heard it right. You will be asked to vote your favorite app Figma design. You are going to have 4 Figma design files. The most voted Figma design will be considered, and I will update the course based on how to develop full stack React Native Expo app within 30 days. Remember, I am going to take your votes up to 31st of December 2024, because I need to develop full stack app, right? Based on your preferable favorite Figma design. And finally, here is another excitement news. Use discount coupon Christmas to get extra 5% discount on this course. This coupon is only validated up to 25th of December. Not only that, but you're also going to have 30-day money back guarantee. Now, not only just take my word, see all other preview videos about admin dashboard, vendor dashboard, e-commerce website, and finally 4 Figma app designs. Remember that you can vote to your favorite app Figma design only when you enroll in this course. So in order to get perfect details about this course, check it out other free preview videos one by one. Let's continue with the demo of our admin dashboard first. And don't forget about the coupon that was only validated up to 25th of December 2024.